Hey guys, and welcome back to another Vapor Honing Technologies video. I'm John. So the previous video, Ryan was doing like a bit of an experiment, showcasing different abrasives on this manifold. So today, what we're gonna do is that we're going to take the crush glass, since it's the most aggressive media, we're going to use crush glass to remove the entirety of this manifold, basically removing all the paint. And after we're done with that, we're gonna move to the VH1000 HD, which has regular glass bead, and we're just gonna polish and clean it up. Tag along with us and let's see what we can do. All right guys, and we're back. So I just got done using crushed glass in our VH800 FL model. It did a great job removing the paint. We're gonna do another process. We're gonna use glass bead in our VH1000 HD to clean and polish the part. So let's go ahead and do that. If you guys have any questions about vapor honing, about removing paint or polishing your parts, you can call us at 828-202-5563. Don't forget to like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.